set, go.
No, I'm not winning. Hi, this is Ohana Girls Guide to Life. And today we're doing the balance challenge. So we're using this Indo board, and we're gonna see how long somebody can do the longest.
And we're going to do one with slime. Just playing with slime and trying to balance. Oh, this is going to be hard.
So basically, Maisie's gonna get on. I didn't take it yet. Maisie's gonna get on and see how long she can balance.
Oh,
so and go, mouse.
no.
Starting the timer.
And now
Go.
It took 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
4 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, now Veronica's going to go on it. And go. Let's see.
How many Maisie? How many seconds?
I don't know, I can't count. This is so hard.
No, like on the thing.
21 seconds.
I think you're getting it right. She did it! Whoa!
101.98.
Whee!
No fail!
Okay.
Wait, I want to try.
Now it's my turn. Hold on. It's my turn.
I'm stuck.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
You'll start it. Alright, let me show you guys really how it's done.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Balance.
Just did this a long time ago. You know how to do this. What? How are you doing that?
He had more experience with balance.
So this is really easy, guys.
So anyway, guys, since I'm on here and I'm balancing on here, and thanks for everyone that's subscribing to us. And make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification button. Okay? Anyway, mahalo for watching, guys. How long has it been?
Almost a minute.
Almost a minute. So Veronica has gone a minute.
Whoa!
How long are you doing this?
Huh?
Until you fall off?
Oh, this is good.
Okay, I will get off right now because this will be a long video.
Yeah, so get off.
And
Anyway, I win that round.
Yeah, kind of. Okay, I win this one.
next round, we're doing it with Panda Head.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Maisie, you almost ready?
What's like
Set, go.
No, I'm not winning.
3.14 seconds.
No, I wasn't ready, okay, guys?
Don't reset, then we can start and then stop and then
No.
I wasn't ready.
We'll
I
reset.
couldn't see.
Well, you can't see. That's the point. Okay, Veronica's gonna go on 1, 2, and 3. Go.
This is easy. I'm sweating at this.
Oh, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Yeah!
16.5 seconds.
Ow, my head. I could hit my head with her elbow. Like
I'm accident.
Alright, and let's reset that. Hey, let me know. Let me know.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh,
He's gonna fall.
he's gonna fall.
Oh, making the dogs bark. Woo! Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu fighting! Whoa! It's been like 40 seconds or something. Yup, it's been a minute.
We can't deal with the panda.
Woo! I win again.
Because you're stronger and you...
Excuse me, I'm stronger.
Oh, my muffles are strong.
All right,
My
106.
My muffles are smaller. Or bigger.
Round 3.
Yes, I did not like
Last and final round.
Are we on?
Yep.
Last and final round. We're going to use it with
slime.
slime.
I'll make somebody go first this time.
Nope, you're first.
Oh, dang it.
You want?
All right.
It's sticky, sort of. But it's fine.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh,
Get set.
Go.
Go.
3.2 seconds.
Wait, what? Oh, 3.2 seconds.
Okay, Veronica, you ready to go?
Oh, no.
All right,
wait.
ready, set, and start. Okay, you stretch it a little bit more. There we go.
I bet it could be my time to 2 minutes.
Oh,
You think 2 minutes? All right, let's see if you can do it for 2 minutes. You think she could do it for 2 minutes, Maisie?
Or at least higher than you.
Yeah, I don't think so.
How many seconds have you did?
I don't know, but you gotta play
1
with it more.
second.
Ah,
Dang it.
2:10, 21. All right. So if you think I'm gonna win, put it in the comments below. Ohana Dad's gonna win. It's a nice sunny day. How'd you guys?
I could do better dances than you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Well, if you want us to have a dance challenge, put it in the comments below.
I would definitely win. I know.
I will be.
Okay, you ready, set? Ready to start it? It's already started.
No.
Okay,
No.
that's not the time.
Sorry.
And start. Whoa.
Oh.
And go.
We just started. Oh, I need to get.
So this slime right here, guys, is a...
Go into the dark one.
Yeah, it glows in the dark. It's got a lot of different things in it. It's blue. I think it's a pretty blue. But it's got foam, and it's got a lot of sparkles in it. Glitter. But anyway, it's nice and stretchy, as you notice.
I think you're not gonna win.
I think I'm gonna win. Don't hit the tripod, crazy girl. Did you get some popcorn so you can watch?
No. I don't
There's
have.
only kettle corn, not pop butter. Kettle.
All right, got some water. All right, let's go down low like this.
Like you're surfing. Whoa. Do you want to know how Dad is so good at this? Because he goes surfing all the time.
Not all the time.
Well, sometimes.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
not as much as I want to.
Hey!
But anyway,
Ew.
so I had this Indo board before the girls were born.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm here. Don't you ready? Okay. And clean the slime. 1 minute, that's it? Alright. Let's not talk about yourself. Alright, look. and 4 seconds. Yeah, 210 or so. Alright, so let's see here. Okay, so it's past the
210, it's the 213, 214. Watch this. Trick. Wipe out.
That was 220.
But anyway, that was fun. Come on, girls.
Yay!
That was fun. Challenge. The Ohana girls did pretty good.
Did you do the turn? Was it like this? Move out of it.
Oh, that's
Kind of like that. So anyway, mahalo for watching. Make sure you hit that like button.
Smash that subscribe button. Smash that notification button so you do not miss out on a new video.
Yep, see, she's got it.
Enjoy the Dorito
Dorito Squad. I don't know what this Dorito Squad thing is. But anyway, no rain.
No rainbows.
Mahalo for watching.
I'm trying to do this.
Well, good luck. Bye.